This is definitely going to take a while. Stupid. No, I can't see. Unbelievable. No idea what she was doing. Yeah. She comes around to the right hand side of me, going the same way as me. I just got done by a granny. Yep, there we go. Camera's on. We are now recording. Hopefully. And around the bumps. There we go. Just going to take a small ride one way just to see what the sketch is. Bit bumpy along here, as you can tell. Well, as in most places in Belgium. Bumpy. They are resurfacing a lot of the roads. They're improving a lot of them. The trouble is, I've been here 2 years now and it's a bit late for me really. Harley coming down behind us. That looks of it. Full fairing Harley. Rode out with a couple of those the other day. Very nice bikes. I never really took that much interest in them, but had a good look round them. Nice. I think that's your type of thing. All fairing and boxes on the back, luggage, stereo, going through the slower towns, and you can hear the stereo of the guys behind you. Is quite cool. Off to the fuel station anyway. Let's get past this one. Miles an hour. Blind up here. In the middle of the road still. Some welded concrete they dropped a couple of weeks ago and it welded to the road. Most of it seems to have gone now, but there's still a bit in the middle. I'd like to come into the middle on that part of the hill because of the oncoming traffic, especially down here. Little time this. If I'm not a bit grubby. shall see. The only problem with being sat here talking to your helmet like you're hoping you're talking to something, when you get home probably nothing's worked. The camera's still on, the red light, the red dot's still going, so the camera's still going. All I'll probably get is a load of wind noise because the microphone isn't working, or I just won't get any noise because the microphone's plugged in and not working. We'll see. It's very windy today, so we're going to get a fair amount of wind noise, that's for sure. This is one of the nice parts that they resurfaced. And the trouble is, it's totally straight and it goes for about 600 meters and then stops. Terrible watermark. Whenever I wash my bike, the water gets stuck in this, so then I shine it and then I come out an hour later and I get this watermark down there where the bloody water's run out. The only thing I can complain about since I've had this bike, the only thing, I suppose the only thing you got to complain about is a watermark, then hey, well, it's not too bad. Massive bloody American truck, can't see anything past it. There we go, someone turning left. Van across the road. It's probably not a good sign, I would suggest. I suppose we'll see. I have a feeling we're not going to be able to get through here. Oh, what? See that car on the side down there? That's like a 30 kilometers an hour zone, right? And there's a car down there on its side. God knows what he's done. All the way down to those chicanes that we started coming into. It's those chicanes all the way down. So for two cars to hit, well, look like there's two cars involved. Unless he's gone into the barrier, but even then, 30 kilometers an hour, Jesus, that's a bad day. Definitely a bad day. Oh, loving the look of this gravel. Gravel and two wheels. Everybody knows what that results in normally. Great. Thanks, mate. Oh, shoot. Not happy about pulling out on this crap, that's for sure. We're in for a long wait by the looks of it. This is definitely going to take a while. Stupid. No, I can't see. Unbelievable. No idea what she was doing. Yeah. She comes around to the right hand side of me, going the same way as me. I just got done by a granny. Knocked me off in her little electric car or whatever it was. Oh dear. Jesus. I can't believe that. She was there with the left indicator on. I don't know. Definitely busy. What time is it? 4:15. 4:15. It's busy already. There's a lot of people turning off and turning across you down this part. That's why I don't particularly like it so much. I prefer to cut through. Obviously when you cut through you have two cars that go into each other and fucking turn each other over. Hey. Big trike. Big grumpy face as well. I'll be grumpy. You got a face exposed like that, I can't do it. All the bugs and stuff that fly into you in and around your mouth. Oh, that's my nutting. Couldn't do it me. Definitely not for me. Well, I like the look of the open face helmet with the shades on and the schmag pulled up over. You know, that's quite a good look, but nah. Quite like the full face. Definitely a lovely day. It's warmed up a lot as well. When the cloud comes over, blocks the sun out, it cools down a bit, but yeah, nice clear blue sky this morning. A lot of cloud today. Right, going left. I saw the last minute there, so sorry mate, didn't get a wave in. There's a good thing about being on the continent as well. The majority of the time in the UK and stuff, it's a nod of their head. Here it's either a wave of the left hand or when you go past people they stick their right leg out to say thank you and stuff. I couldn't really figure out why to start off with, but then it kind of dawned on me that your left hand is in your throttle hand, so you can take that one off and wave, whereas in the UK I suppose when you're going along you want to wave, you don't want to be taking your hand off the throttle all the time. So I think that's probably where the nod of the head came from. And there we go. Don't want to get stuck at the lights, don't come out, finger on the horn. There he is. Yeah, lovely day. I think that one up there is a police car though, with the orange bumper. Looks like it. Anyway, I'll be pulling over in a minute. That is the sound and video test now complete. Hopefully something in the way of either came out. And we'll give it a bash. So I'll see you soon. Ta-da!